it's Lynn with Soft Squares. Today I got 2 packages in the mail from Annie's, and because there's not much in the packages, I'm going to combine them into one video. But the video or the subscriptions are specific, so you get to tell them what you want. Now, earlier, like a week ago, I had opened up a charm pack subscription. I was really happy about that one. Today we have 2 more. We have the strip club and the fat quarter. So basically it's going to be a jelly roll and then the fat quarter. Okay, so the Annie's kit clubs, they have a lot of different clubs you can, or choices you can pick, and I'm not sure if what I paid for these. I have to double check because I have a receipt and then I have something in my hand that's a little bit different as far as the fat quarters, because when you first sign up you get a discount, but I've already signed up to get the charm packs, but I used a different email so I was able to get the fat quarters as a first time signer. Did that make any sense? By using a different email, but I used the same email when I signed up for the jelly roll, and I did not get a discount on that even though it says first shipment. So I think it's just the very first one that you do with any email. Not sure how that works. Don't hold me to that. So, but the way that this worked is it looks like it was $5.99 for all of these, plus shipping and handling, which equals $12.37. If you do the math, it equals to about $8.24 a yard, which is kind of okay when you think about fabric being upwards of $11, $12, $13 right now. But if I were to divide that by 6, and I get $1.37 a piece, so that's not bad for a charm or for a fat quarter. So let's look at these. So this is called Backyard Blooms. Is that right? Yeah, Backyard Blooms. So we have this and this really pretty yellow, this cute print. And then the last one is this one. So I do think that this would be fun. Makes me think of like picnic. Something together would definitely work. I don't know if I would like the idea of paying full price for this. This is the one where I've gotten 2 different notifications on, and it looks like it should be $23.99 plus shipping and tax, which is $31.68 for those 6. Again, let's do the calculator. So $31.68 divided by 6, because it's $5.28 each. Ouch. So I will probably be canceling this. I don't want to pay that much for a fat quarter. So, but the introductory price was pretty good. Okay, so now the other one that we are going to look at is the jelly roll, or the strip. And this one came with this, which is called Sunday Stroll by Moda. It is Bonnie and Camille. It is black, orange, and some aqua. Not orange, red. And some green. It's really pretty. I just ordered a bunch of this line, and so this is going to integrate really well with that. If I had known this was coming, I might have done my order a little differently, but cool thing is I am anticipating this and I'm looking forward to working with that. But this one is a really good deal. No, actually not a good deal. Sorry. This was $39.99 for the jelly roll. If you go into your local quilt store, that's pretty common, but now that prices have gone up, I'm seeing them as much as $42 and $43 for a roll. So the fact that they're still charging the old price, or what I was used to seeing prior to this latest increase, is good. However, when you put shipping and tax on top of that, and the fact that you don't have any choice in what they're sending you, it's just random, I don't find this a good deal at all. So it actually comes up to $48.84. I would never pay $48 or $49 for a jelly roll. So I'm really thrilled that it's this fabric. I could probably return it, but the point is I want this, and it was a learning experience. And that's because this was not my first kit, which is why I did not get an introductory price. I was hoping I would, but I didn't. So I can definitely probably find it local for less money or on sale where I don't have to pay shipping and that's why I don't see the benefit to this particular club. I guess we'll just have to see, but I'm more than likely going to cancel both of these. And I have a dog still. So there we go with that. So, but anyway, the point is I got lots of fabric, and I'm pretty excited about what I have. I just would like to see a better deal than what I've gotten. But, like I said, the first one that they do is actually a really, really good deal. But it's called Annie's Fabric Strip Pack, and the other one is Annie's Fat Quarter Club. And then I also have the Charm Pack that I had opened previously. But just depending on what you're looking for to boost your stash, it might be a good deal. And for sure, the first time you do any of them, it's a really, really good deal. But I don't know, maybe there's some other things or other ways to get these a little bit cheaper through them that I have not run across. But it's still a nice idea if you just want to be surprised and pay whatever it costs for that. So anyway, that's all I have about Annie's today. I do like the quality of fabric that they send. I just would like to see a better deal, or even more in the box, like the fun sew sampler boxes and things like that. This is not marketed like that. This really is just a fabric, but it feels like for the money there should be more in there. So anyway, that's my 2 cents on that. Try it out. I'll put the link below. Tell me what you think and if you've used them, and anything you have to say about that. Thank you. Bye-bye.